10 million euros per day is the cost of rail maintenance in Germany, and still 30% of trains have delay because the maintenance action is performing either too late or too early.
Install sensor and camera on a different component of the train to collect data from.
We simulate a running train over the infrastructure based on a mathematical model. We use both real data and simulated data to improve our machine learning algorithm and deliver the predictive maintenance.
Simulation as a service and using synthetic data or USBs. In addition, we have a patented technique known as Germany. So far, we have acquired 2 grants, 2 pilot projects, and 1 award.